Hi, and welcome to Distributing Your VR Application section. In the previous section, we learned about optimization in general and demonstrated some of the tools that come with Unreal Engine 4. In this section, we will talk about the available source for VR application distribution, as well as the build settings that you may need while packaging your game. Let's start with the first video of this section, Available Stores for Distribution. In this video, we're going to list some of the stores that are available for distributing your VR apps. In case you're developing for the PC platform, there are three major platforms that are available to both big studios and indie developers: the Steam Store and the Oculus Store, as well as the Viveport. By the time of this recording, the Steam Greenlight has been replaced with a new system called Steam Direct. In the Steam Greenlight system, the developers had to pay $100 in order to submit their content. Then, the community would vote for every content that was submitted in the store in order for Steam to identify which of these projects would be a commercial success. That process was a black box, and its major con was that developers didn't have any guarantees that their content would be published in Steam. In June 13 in 2017, Steam replaced Steam Greenlight with Steam Direct. The main difference is that now developers are guaranteed a publication on Steam Store if their content meets the required specifications. The revenue split for each game is different, and Valve won't discuss their revenue split publicly. Once your game is ready to be published, the revenue details will be set by both Valve and the game's creators. Another major platform for VR application distribution is the Oculus Store. In order to get accepted into the store, you need to meet their basic content policy and the Rift's recommended specs. The last known revenue split for the submitted content was the standard 70-30, with the developers taking 70% of the selling price of their title. However, just like in Steam, the revenue details are not available to the public. Yet another major platform is the Viveport, which is the official store for the HTC Vive apps. It's worth noting that most games that are published in Oculus Store work with Vive as well. For most submissions, the revenue share is a standard 70-30, with Viveport taking 30% of the selling price of the title. A report is provided on the Viveport developer console that shows daily and monthly sales generated from your content. Please be aware that Viveport's 30% of revenue share has been deducted from the sales numbers you see in the report. So that's it for this video.